Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start cloud collaboration with Slack, full guide step by step. To start cloud collaboration with Slack, begin by visiting the Slack website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new workspace. Fill in the required information, including your email address. After entering your email, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Slack. Click on the link in the email to verify your address. Next, choose a name for your workspace. Select the region closest to your team for optimal performance. Once you have completed these steps, you will be prompted to create your first channel. Name the channel based on its purpose, such as general for company-wide discussions. Invite team members to join this channel by entering their email addresses. Once team members accept the invites, they will appear in your channel. To promote effective collaboration, familiarize yourself with Slack's features. Explore the messaging options, including direct messages and group conversations. Use threads to keep discussions organized and focused. You can also share files by dragging and dropping them directly into the chat. Integrate third-party apps by navigating to the Slack app directory. Search for the tools your team already uses, such as Google Drive or Trello. Click on the app and follow the prompts to connect it to your workspace. Set up notifications to stay updated on important messages or mentions. Encourage team members to customize their notification settings as needed. Establish guidelines for communication to ensure clarity and consistency. Consider scheduling regular check-ins or virtual meetings using Slack's video call feature. Utilize search functionalities to quickly find messages, files, or channels. As your team grows, regularly review and organize channels to maintain efficiency. Monitor your workspace analytics to understand usage and engagement. Continuously refine your collaboration processes based on team feedback. Promote a culture of open communication to foster collaboration. By following these steps, you can effectively start cloud collaboration with Slack. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.